Good morning, dear children. Today we will study very important topic, that is conversion of one unit into another unit. When we have to change meters into centimeters or meters into hectometers or meters into kilometers, gram into centigram, milligram or gram into kilogram. Same way with liters also. We have three quantities of comparison: meters, grams and liters. Now when we have to convert them, basically we follow this table which is known as conversion table. In this we have basically 7 categories, 3 on one side and 3 on one side. You have to learn it in the same way, in the same order. We keep the unit in between. The biggest unit is kilo, then hecta, then deca. After unit we have centi, deci, centi, milli. Means kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Same with grams and liters also. So when you have to convert, you have to see whether you are moving to the right side or you are moving to the left side. What does it mean? That if I have to change grams into centigrams, I have to change grams into centigrams, it means I am moving from this point to right side. I am moving from gram to centigram, right side. So I'll multiply. Okay, I will multiply. If I am having 2 gram here, I have to change it into the centigram. I will multiply. Multiply with what? We have to see how many steps we are moving. 1 step, 2 step or 3 step. From gram to centigram, we are moving 2 steps. 1 and 2. So, 2 gram into 100. It will give you 200 centigrams. And if we are doing 3 steps, so we will multiply by 1000, that will be 2000, that will be milligrams. On the opposite side, if you are moving to the left side, suppose you have to convert meter into kilometer. If I am having 3 meter and I have to change it into kilometers, I am moving to the left side, and how many steps I am moving? 1, 2 and 3. So it will give me 3 meters is equal to 3 divided by 1000. That will give me 3 upon 1000 kilometers, which can be converted into the decimals 0.003 kilometers. So basic thing what we have to keep in mind is that if we are converting the bigger unit into the smaller unit, we multiply, means we are moving to the right side. If we are converting smaller unit into the bigger unit, we are moving to the left side and we are dividing. And किससे divide करना है, किससे multiply करना है, depends on how many steps you are taking. If you are taking only 1 step, you are converting meters into decimeters, you will multiply by 100. Converting meter into decameter, you will divide by 10. Sorry, it will be 10. Meter into decimeter, multiply by 10. Meter into decameter, divide by 10. If we are taking 2 steps, take 100. 3 steps, take 1000. Okay, so this way you can convert your one unit into another unit. Thank you.